You may run into a situation where you need to apply a truck order not used code in Transport Pro. Whether you only need to bill the customer or bill the customer and pay the driver, Transport Pro makes it easy to set up either scenario. Additionally, you may have a situation where the driver is already en route when the truck order not used code needs to be applied. In this case, there is a simple way to not only mark the load as a truck order not used in the system, but also account for accurate mileage. We will walk through a couple different scenarios. First, you will need to make sure that you have your truck order not used billing and settlement codes set up. This video assumes you have already done that. Depending on your scenario, you may want to cancel the dispatch or just delete it. To enter a truck order not used, navigate to the Load Summary screen. For this example, we will delete the dispatch, bill the customer, and then pay the driver. However, if you wish to cancel the dispatch, click on the Edit icon in the Dispatch History section, change the status to Canceled, and then click Save. Make sure you are only canceling the dispatch and not the load. Once you cancel a load, you cannot go back and edit it. Again, I'm just going to delete the dispatch. Canceling or deleting the dispatch ensures that the mileage will not be counted against the driver. Next, click on Edit Load Information. Scroll down to the Freight Bill section and zero out the rate and mileage. Then, select your truck order not used code from the Line Items drop-down. Edit the quantity and rate. Now you can mark the load Ready to Bill and click Save. The system will prepare a freight bill with only the truck order not used charge on it. Next, we need to pay the driver. Navigate to the driver's account. Click the Add Earning and Deduction link. When the window opens, enter the applicable information. In this case, I'm going to begin typing my truck order not used code in the settlement code field. Click on it to lock it in. Enter the load ID, make sure the rate is correct, and then click Save. Now we can see that a line item for a truck order not used has been added to the driver's settlement. At this point, you have billed the customer and paid the driver. I'm going to show you a second scenario. Let's say driver Corey Smith is on a load going from Nashville, Tennessee to Doral, Florida. While he is en route, the load gets canceled. So Corey's dispatcher tells him to stop where he is, which is Atlanta, and turn around. We still need to cancel or delete the dispatch for this load since it's no longer relevant, but we want to make sure we account for the proper mileage since he was already on his way when the load got canceled. In this case, we would add this activity as an empty movement, and you can do that one of two ways. One, you can click on the Show Freight Operations Tools link on the Freight Operations dashboard, and then click on the Add Empty Movement link. Or two, you can add an empty movement via the trailer summary screen. In this case, since Corey stopped in Atlanta, we will show the empty movement from Nashville, Tennessee to Atlanta, Georgia. Now we have accounted for the accurate mileage on this truck order not used. At this point, you can go back to the load and add your truck order not used billing code to bill the customer if you need to, and you can pay the driver if you desire. And that sums up how to handle a truck order not used situation. If you would like to schedule a demonstration or have any questions, please call us at 800-800-5917 or email us at info@transportpro.net. You can learn more about us by visiting our website, www.transportpro.net. If you are ready to sign up, you can do so by visiting the pricing page of our website and clicking More Info. Thank you for watching this video.